Welcome back to Arca Wolf Productions. Jorge, failure. This is my first video. We're doing new 4. Why did I say new 4? I'm gonna go collect some bullets. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. He is so fucking sneaky. I don't know if you can see him over there. Can you see him? Oh yeah. Oh, he's up there. He's a little scoundrel. Okay. Where's he? Help me, guys. Help me. Oh, I see him. He's sniping. Oh, shit. A bullet just fell out. He just shot at me. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he's up there. He's sniping right now. Just to remind you guys, I do have that thing down there. Shit, I hit him again. Okay, up high and shit, I forgot to pause it. That's just a tree. I forgot I had a pause button, but shiitake mushrooms. Okay, I'm gonna go on ammo. Let's go. I don't know if you all can see this, but he's up there. Okay, guys, I'm winning currently. I'm out of breath, as you can see. I haven't showed you my face all video, but can you see it? I don't know if you can, but I will watch the video to make sure you can. He just tried to shoot at me. Okay. An angle. No. Shit. Let's go. Let's go. No, you didn't, Ashley! It's right there on the floor! No, you didn't! Pause! Y'all ready for this? I got the rapid fire, guys! I'm gonna put you down, you can watch it. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. Here I am, guys. Let's do this. What? I couldn't hear you. What? How much?
From all the way on the end.
Oh, shit. Let's pick him up, y'all.
Wait, you're done?
You find me? No? You find one. Tell me. Did I miss one? No, that's not it. That was not me.
I was so far away from you.
Here one is. Anything else? Do you guys see? Anything else, y'all? Come on, y'all. You need to help me. I didn't know you guys could see when I put you guys down on the floor. Wait, where am I going? Oh, right here. Okay. But I know you guys heard it. I collected your ammo.
Wait, you got your ammo. You let me know you got your ammo from your pack. You got your
I had a pack?
Yeah, you had a pack. Remember for your birthday you got a Nerf gun pack?
Oh, no, I didn't get that.
How do you have so much bullets?
I collected all your bullets.
Wait, these are how you collected them.
Yeah, I know. Just hold on. We're gonna separate them again. Yes, you may. I don't know if you guys can see me, but what do I want? Oh, I don't know if you guys can see me or not. Can you see me now? What do you want? I don't care what he says. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see me. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay, good. But we're gonna go for another round here. There's my brother.
Dude, I get the machine
Y'all
gun.
can see him? Can you see him?
I get the machine gun.
I think this video is gonna come to an end. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great night, life, day, I don't know. Bye.